When the stock market and tariff market and overall economy is unsteady, oftentimes people freeze and don't want to make a decision on major life changes. But what's interesting about this is actually in North Texas, our job market still continues to be strong. And that means that our housing market is continuing to move despite the overall economy. Having been in real estate since 2004, we've seen several ups and downs in our North Texas market. And I'm here to tell you that with absolute certainty, homes still have been moving. That also means that we are seeing relocations from people making job changes to and from North Texas, which is moving our housing market. We're also seeing a lot of great investment opportunities for people to add to their portfolio that were not available this last year. And most of those are happening where they're coming available off market that we're getting reached out to before they go online. So what I want to say to you as a real estate professional here in North Texas, our team has sold over $1 billion in real estate here, is that when times are uncertain, I know that it is a feeling that you feel like you want to contract, do nothing, and watch the markets. But Warren Buffett always tells us that when there is fear out there, what should we do, right? Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. And so if you are at all looking to grow your real estate portfolio, this is a great time to be looking at doing that. And we run very detailed numbers for our clients around that. And if you're thinking about a move, moving up, you're thinking about downsizing, just remember that a home is ultimately where you live more than anything else. And as an investment, it comes second. And if you've owned your home more than about a year, you're probably going to still be in an okay equity situation, if not a positive one. And we're happy to take a look at that for you, run some numbers, and assess whether or not now is the right time to make a move. We're here as your real estate consultants, and I just wanted to make sure I was reaching out to let you know what the temperature was like here in North Texas. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us and we can do a personalized consult for you too.